Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use VLC player to capture your computer screen to make a video. This is helpful if you wanted to capture all the processes or all the steps that you are taking for doing a task, and later on you can share it with your team or your friends, or you can even upload it on YouTube the way I'm doing it. So I'll show you how you can use VLC player. So first you go to media and then open capture device, and then you go to capture device tab, and then in the capture mode select desktop. For the frames you can select 30 frames or 10, whatever you want. I normally like 30 frames. And then you'll need to press on the drop down button next to the play button and then select convert. Once you select the convert button, it will show you different options. So what you need to do is you select the video option, and then you go to select that one over there. That's by default. And then you browse to your destination folder, and I try to use the audio there, but with the audio the thing is it doesn't capture the audio, so I have to capture the audio separately. So that's the drawback, that it doesn't capture the audio. Then you select where you want to save it, save the location, save it as MP4, and then you press the start button. The start button is right now grayed out because I'm already capturing this video. So once you press the start button, it will start capturing the video, and then what you do is you just stop it by pressing the stop button part at the bottom, the playback stop button. So that's how you capture a video. So what I will do is I will show you a result of this captured video in a few minutes. So here is my video that I captured earlier. So I'll just play it to show you how it captures and the results. So you can see this is the video that I captured. The resolution isn't that good, it's a little bit blurry, but again VLC is a free software, so it's kind of good that you can at least capture your screen and make a video out of it. So yes, so if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.